This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday evening, the 5th of August. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather today quiet as expected, but rain chances on the way up in coming days. Let's go in there and take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from Inverness, North Shelby County at the Wingate Inn. The sky there partly sunny. Here's a look at one of our Walker County Skycams. That is the one in Parrish, which is south of Jasper. The sky partly sunny. And on the Alabama Gulf Coast, things looking pretty good today. About the biggest issue down there, jellyfish. Got the purple flags flying today for dangerous marine life. For the rays and the jellyfish. A lot of folks apparently have been dealing with that issue, which is never fun. But the weather looks pretty good for the rest of this week. Again, about 6 to 8 hours of sun with the typical chance of a few passing storms along the way. Pretty summerish looking map there. The core of the westerlies are north of us, and upper high is around Houston. Got a mass of storms on the western edge of the westerlies around Memphis. In fact, there's the radar at 2:27 this afternoon. Big storms are just east of Memphis. Other ones developing down into Mississippi, around the Delta. And those could creep into Alabama tonight. Definitely rain chances are increasing over the next 24 hours. Hey, I told you the GFS is too hot. You know, this thing keeps thinking we're going to be in the mid-90s every day. Come on. It's only 82 in Gadsden and Fort Payne on an early August afternoon. Pretty remarkable. Birmingham at 87. In fact, no 90s anywhere in the state. It is hotter to the west. We've got heat advisories for parts of Oklahoma, Texas, around the Arklatex. Flash flood watches on top of that for parts of Kansas and Missouri and Arkansas. And looks like a severe thunderstorm watch perhaps is up for parts of northwestern Kansas. In terms of severe weather, we've got a risk of severe weather from that part of Kansas north up into parts of Montana and North Dakota. And tomorrow, again, for the Corn Belt, severe storms possible. Omaha, Des Moines, places like that. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. Bigger numbers north of here, but clearly some folks are going to get more than what that map shows. Every day we're going to have showers and storms around. And just one storm could drop 1 inch in a short amount of time. We all know that. Tropics, very quiet, dry air. A lot of dust coming off the coast of Africa across the Atlantic basin. Don't think we'll see much happening this week. But again, sooner or later, things will inevitably uptick out there. Hurricanes are a natural process of transferring heat from the tropical region to points north. Check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Upper high on the Texas coast. Westerlies north of that and down below that. The door should be open for showers and storms. Let's try and get more specific with a high-res NAM. This is valid at midnight tonight. The NAM has a pretty good cluster of storms over eastern Mississippi, moving down toward Meridian. And some of those might kind of perhaps creep into West Alabama. Based on the radar trends, I certainly think we'll need to mention some risk of a shower or storm tonight, especially on the western side of the state. Now, this is tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Looks pretty wet. So we could start the day with a round of storms, maybe tomorrow morning. And then this is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. I'm sorry, this is Wednesday evening, 7 o'clock. Got showers and storms about. Bottom line is rain chances are increasing. Tomorrow and Wednesday, there'll be breaks in the rain. The sun should be out at times, but it could rain at any time. And again, note that new MCS up around St. Louis. And we have a light northwest flow aloft, so those things tend to migrate down here. And here's Wednesday evening. The map I showed you a second ago was Wednesday morning. This is Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, and again, evidence of storms about. Here's Thursday. Again, we've got a moist air mass. We'll forecast scattered showers and storms, maybe numerous at times. And the same thing on Friday. Highs, I'd say, will stay in that 87 to 90 degree range. The GFS keeps on spitting out mid-90s, and it's in la-la land. We'll go to the weekend. This is Saturday. Ridging across the deep south, but there's a weakness over Alabama. The higher heights are east and west of here, and so really the weather not changing much. Again, Saturday will deal with scattered showers and storms. The sun out at times, highs upper 80s, maybe touching 90. Same thing Sunday. Notice a surface boundary coming in from the north. Pretty good looking high around Chicago. And here's Monday. The boundary tries to slip down into northeast Alabama. This is hinting maybe that Monday could be dry for places like Scottsboro or Fort Payne, but I wouldn't buy that. We all know that fronts have a really hard time getting in here in early August, but clearly we'll need to maintain the chance of scattered showers and storms. We'll check the end of the forecast, August 21st. The higher heights off to the west, even there, they're not that excessive. Nice troughing over the middle of the nation. And again, same deal. A few scattered showers and storms, no sign of any super-duper excessively hot weather, and that's a good thing. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening, the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.